Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the Amazon Fire wireless charger. You could have bought this in a bundle along with the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus, which is actually what I did. I believe this was extra 40 or 45 bucks, something like that. My HD 10 Plus has been delayed in shipping, probably because everybody's buying stuff on Prime Day, which is why I bought these. Well, this in the tablet. But this is here, so we're going to do a quick unboxing of this and see how well it works. I believe this is 15 watt fast charging, I want to say. And too, I should mention this is actually made by Anchor, which actually surprised me when I opened up the Amazon box. So this is actually made by Anchor. You guys can let me know what you think of that. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I haven't had too many Anchor products. I believe Walmart also sells Anchor, if I'm not mistaken. So here is our giant wall charger, wall plug-in. Here is the actual wireless charger. So here is a better view of it. This is gray. Don't know what that is. It looks like a piece of tape stuck to mine. So a little bit of tape there. It's nice looking. I'll give it that. It's not bad. Again, this is for the Amazon Fire HD 10, technically the Plus, which has the wireless charging in it. And we'll see if this works with the HD 8 Plus, that also has wireless charging. I'm sure it will. See if it works with my old phone. It also has wireless charging. So there's some vents back here. Of course, it says Anchor. I'm kind of surprised it actually has Anchor there where nobody looks. That should be for the charger. Yeah, I guess you got cord here for the charger cord. I don't know, that's for my hands or what? You got some like orange specks here, some orange dots here. I did wash my hands right before this video, but I also was eating pizza before, so that might be from me. Alright, so I plugged it into. I plugged it in. That is. Make sure I have my correct device here. Alright, first we'll try out the new the new 7. I don't think this has wireless charging on it. Nope, did not think so. Alright. I thought that was my HD 8 Plus at first. Maybe this only does work with the 10. Alright, so this is the HD 8 Plus, which does have wireless charging. I've done it before on a Samsung wireless charger. This does not seem to work. You can see up here, my battery's only at 16%, and it is still saying it's almost dead. Still saying it's dying. So HD 8 Plus does not work with this. That is a big disappointment in my eyes. Alright, we're going to try out S7 Plus, Tab S7 Plus, which is probably just too big for this thing. So they seriously made a charger that only charges one device, it looks like. Let's see, we'll also try out my old phone, Note 8, Samsung Note 8. Okay, I'm just gonna say it's kind of pointless to make an entire charger that only charges up one device. You guys let me know if you tried it with other devices and it worked. Doesn't seem like it's going to though. It's nice looking. 40 bucks isn't bad for a 15 watt charger if it actually, charges. You guys can't really see down there, but see it is plugged in. And it's plugged in the wall back there. There's a little LED right here, a little light that probably shines when it's charging. Yeah, you guys let me know. Once I get my HD 10 Plus, we'll try it out. I'll let you guys know if it works. But it doesn't seem to work with anything else. So, alright, guys, let me know your thoughts. Thank you all very much for watching. As always, I appreciate you. Hope you all have a good one. Goodbye.